How to make your client acquisition easy. A question many coaches ask themselves because let's be honest, we as coaches, we want to sign clients effortlessly. We're in a constant search of the next strategy that will get us tons of clients with minimum effort, sitting on our couch and just clients coming in. But to make your client acquisition easy, the product has to be hard to make. Even if you have all the traffic in the world, then you're doing more harm than good for your business. Because you're just bumping traffic to a shitty offer, and at the end of the day, you have angry clients. This all will result in bad reputation, which sooner or later will put you out of business. So let me show you how to make an offer that people will feel stupid saying no, which will basically allow you to scale your business effortlessly. This is a 5-step process I have developed, and the first step of this process is to clearly define your target audience. You want to identify the specific group of individuals who would benefit most from your coaching program. You want to understand their needs, challenges, and aspirations so you can tailor your program to address them effectively. I always love saying to my clients that your target audience is your past self. Let me give you an example to understand this better. Let's say you are a dad and you're working a 9-to-5 job. For most of your life, you've been overweighted. And because of that, you're always tired, you cannot spend quality time with your family, and you hate your life and the way you look. But recently, you found a way to lose this weight, and now you're full of energy because you lost weight, you love yourself, you love your physique, you love your job, and you have energy and you're being productive at work. Most importantly, because you have discovered this way to lose weight, you can now spend quality time with your family. Finally, you can play with your kids without getting tired. So, your target audience would be your past self. And your past self is an overweight dad who is working a 9-to-5 job. So when you clearly define your target audience, you want to move to step 2. Offer a unique value proposition. You want to differentiate your coaching program from others in the market by offering something unique and valuable. It could be like a specific methodology, a specialized area of expertise, or this can be a combination of various techniques that set you apart. So let me again give you an example with the previous one that I gave. Most of the fitness coaches, they teach their clients how to eat and exercise correctly. They want their clients to eat clean 7 out of 7 days. They want them to train really hard and spend a lot of time in the gym. But your ideal client is busy. He has a job and a family. He cannot eat different foods than his family, because they're on a budget. He cannot spend 2 hours in the gym because he wants to spend time with his family after work. So you want to offer him something new and unique. For example, you can be showing him how to lose weight by doing intermittent fasting and training only 3 times a week. Step 3 inside this process of creating an irresistible offer is to focus on transformational outcomes. Highlight the tangible and transformative results your clients can expect from your coaching program. You want to clearly articulate this positive change that they will experience in their personal or professional life, such as increased confidence, increased productivity, better work-life balance. For example, as a result of working with you, your client will get a raise in his job because he lost his weight. Now he is more focused and productive, and he becomes a valuable asset for his boss and his company. Now he is more energized and he can spend quality time with his family. He can play with his kids without getting tired. You are selling this outcome. You're not selling the futures and the benefits that your program has. Step 4, after you identify those 3 things, is to develop a compelling program structure. Design a well-structured coaching program that provides a clear roadmap break it down into manageable modules or even strategy sessions that will ensure a progression that builds upon the previous learning and experiences. For example, you can include a mix of content, interactive exercises, and even personalized coaching session. Again, to give you more clarity, I will give example from the previous offer and client avatar. For example, if you have this type of fitness coaching, you can have 3 modules inside your program. They can be fitness, nutrition, and sleep. Inside fitness module, you can teach your client everything about fitness, like how to lose weight by training only 3 times a week, by spending roughly an hour in the gym. You can show him techniques of each exercise. You can also add as a bonus how to train at home without any equipment. Inside the nutrition module, you can teach him everything about intermittent fasting, when to eat, what to eat, how to meal prep, how to avoid hunger, for example, and so on. And inside the last module, inside the sleep module, you can teach him how to recover well so he can be more focused, productive, and energized. Teach him how to prepare for sleep, what to do before bed, build up a night routine, and how to wake up being energized. On top of that, you can also include weekly coaching sessions where you check in his progress. You prepare a customized plan for the next week and you solve his problems. And the last step is to offer bonuses or additional resources. Create a sense of added value by including bonuses or resources that will enhance the coaching experience. This could include like workbooks, ebooks, access to exclusive communities or forums, or additional training materials relevant to your program. Like you can add your client to a group full of working dads. Inside this group, they can network, exchange value, do meetups, and hold one another accountable. You can also include some ebooks where they can learn additional information about intermittent fasting, how to eat well, how to sleep well. You can also give him worksheets to track his progress. And yeah, these are the 5 steps on how you can create an irresistible offer to which people will feel stupid saying no. And because you have such a good offer, clients would come to you. Like the word of mouth would be on your side. You get a lot of referrals, which will make your client acquisition easy. And I want you to remember that creating an irresistible coaching program is not only about like the marketing and the sales tactics, but also about delivering high quality coaching service that genuinely help people achieve their goal. Because inside this coaching business, our income is a reflection of the impact we make, which means the more people we help, the more lives we change, the more money we make. Focus on creating a program that adds a real value and empowers individuals to make positive change in their lives. And if you need help with growing your coaching business, make sure to click the first link in the description and schedule a free strategy session with me where I will see how I can help you scale your business faster.